In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the chargeback problem inside of PayPal. So what you'll need to do in these situations is quickly respond within the resolution center of PayPal. So what you'll need to do is try to provide compelling evidence such as your tracking number, your proof of delivery, or your communication logs. So if you do have one of these information that I've mentioned, then you need to present that immediately within PayPal inside of the resolution center. Make sure you do this process within 10 days of you receiving the chargeback. Then what will happen? PayPal will use this to dispute your case with the card issuer on your behalf. However, make sure you remember that this process is a lengthy process and may also take up to 75 days. So make sure you first of all provide all of this information that I just mentioned, and PayPal will make a dispute in your behalf. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you in solving your issue. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.